In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a morph transition in Google Slides. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up morph transitions for any slides or objects that you have on a Google Slides presentation. You will be able to do this by selecting the specific slide which you would like to attribute the morph transition to, and select a specific object that you would like to manage with the transition. So I'm going to select this image and then this little detail blot over here at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you select the specific slide that you would like to manage, make sure that you have the transition tab at the right side of the screen. So click transition over here. Immediately upon clicking this, you will see the motion management at the right side. Like I said, you can click on any object, image, text, etc. to add a transition. First, you have transitions that you can apply to the entire slide and also all slides at once. Of course, this is going to make it so whenever you switch slides, they will play out in a specific way. So to demonstrate this, I'm just going to do a slideshow, and as you can see, switching from slide to slide makes it so there is a fade transition. If you want to add a morph transition, you have to use the object animations. You will notice that neither on the slide transition nor the object transition, they have a specific dedicated transition called morph. So you will have to get creative and use the other transitions that they offer. So for example, let's say that I want to make this little tip appear out of nowhere. So I can just make it fly in from the right side of the screen. Now, if I play this slide, after I add this transition, you will notice that as soon as I reach this specific slide, the text or the tip is going to fly from the right. Unfortunately, Google Slides is very bare bones when it comes to managing morph transitions, but with enough creativity, you can copy a slide and make these objects transition in looking like a morph transition. Like I said previously, they don't have the exact morph transition option, just like PowerPoint, but as long as you get creative with how you include the transitions, you will be able to give them the feel of a morph transition. As of today, I don't know of any plugins or alterations that you can make to import a morph transition, but usually these will be enough and they will help you achieve better slides and a better presentation feel. You can add them to any object inside of your presentation and you will be able to make them look cooler and add better animations and transitions between them. I hope I was able to help you on how to add morph transition in Google Slides. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.